Hi everyone, it's Morgan. So Dyson Airwrap has always been a hot topic and probably always will be. But it's been around for a while, so I'm always thinking like there's gotta be a good dupe out there by now. I found a couple options on Amazon and a couple options on Walmart, and I ended up ordering one from Amazon, and we're gonna try it out, and I'm a little bit nervous. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a lot of faith, but we'll see how it goes. It is by the brand, I'm honestly not sure. It just says TP 5-in-1 Hot Air Styler. Premium hair protection with anti-static effect. I mean, if that's true, that's amazing. Let's open it up. Okay, looks pretty good. I feel like it looks exactly like what I would picture the Dyson to look like. When I ordered this one, there was one, I think like 4-star rating, but there was no written reviews yet, so I was a little hesitant. But I do want to check today to see if there's any reviews, but I'm just gonna open it all up piece by piece. Here is the base to it. Oh. Okay, well this is dirty. That's disgusting. That is not a good sign. Do you see that dirt on the plastic? Yeah, that's gross. And it's on my hand, and I'm a little scared. We're starting off on a bad note here. There was free returns though. This one looks clean. Okay, here's another brush, the hair dryer part. And this is the actual like air wrap piece. 2 air wrap pieces. They feel really cheap, not gonna lie. I don't even know if you can tell, but they just look a little sketchy. See, like look at all those marks. You can kind of tell it does not look like the best quality, but you know, you get what you pay for. Obviously the real Dyson is expensive. This one I believe was only $50, but even for $50, I think it should be better than that. Well, you know it's not good when I go to my orders and it's not there anymore. I mean, I can see I ordered it. The return is still eligible, which is good because there was free returns and I'd be pretty annoyed if I couldn't return it anymore. But I click on it and it goes to this page. I kind of want to just plug it in and see what happens. Let's go to the bathroom. I'm like actually really nervous. Like, is there a chance that this thing electrocutes me? Okay, it's plugged into the outlet. Let's put this one on. Oh, okay. It works. So there are numbers on there, and I think that's the level of heat, because it's not the intensity. Each level has the same power, so it's got to be the heat. I mean, when it was on the lower one, it was cooler. This one doesn't even go in all the way. Like, look at how this side is like flush. The 2 pieces are together. This one, I can't even push it in all the way. You know how there was 2 of these? We're trying the other head. This one literally doesn't even fit. Okay, well this literally does not even fit together. Let's go back to the other head. Oh, okay, I got to click in. Isn't it supposed to just go? Nothing. It's literally just like shooting air straight out. Ooh, it's hot. Let's just try. Oh, a little, okay. It's giving nothing. I did a little research so I could actually understand the product better because I've never owned a Dyson, so I don't really know anything about it, right? First of all, I'll tell you right away is these lines are up and down. They're not really diagonal at all. On the real Dyson, they are a little bit angled because, you know, it's supposed to blow like kind of to the side, right? To like wrap your hair. So that's the first flaw. And there are 2 heads because you want the curls to go away from your face. So you need one for like this side and one for this side, right? However, neither of these have arrows or anything, so they're probably essentially the same barrel. So it's not like they're made for each side of your head, which is another flaw. So I'm just gonna use the one that fits better in the base because I struggled getting them both in the base, and just kind of guess and show you a little bit. With the Dyson, what you're supposed to do is kind of start it on hot, hold it vertical, hold it behind your piece of hair, and if you start at the end, I think it kind of helps it. You can start wrapping it, or you can kind of just glide it up and it should wrap. And you're supposed to do that on hot, and then you're supposed to do a cool shot kind of at the end because the cold air is what locks the curl into place. So it is nice, I guess, that this comes with 0, 1, 2, and 3 regarding the heat. So I would think that it would cool down. However, I'm feeling like this after you use it on hot. Once you switch it down to 0 for the heat, it probably won't cool down very fast, so you wouldn't really get that cold shot of air, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna demonstrate like one thorough, like good attempt using all the right like Dyson strategies and like how you're supposed to use it, you know, to really give you the full effect. The first time I tried it, I was kind of just playing around. I really didn't know how to use it, but now I'm like, okay, I actually understand how this is supposed to work, so let go. I did try to use it upside down because I did see someone try that, and that was the first time I saw someone do that, so I was like, oh, I wonder if maybe like upside down would be worth a go. And it did kind of start wrapping, but I still don't think this thing works. I really think the only reason it wrapped is because I did the work for it and just wrapped it, and then since it was blowing air straight out, like it just kept the piece on it because it was already wrapped enough. So I don't think this device itself wrapped my hair. I think it just kept the wrap because, you know, I wrapped it and then held it, so it's like, oh, the air was just maintaining it, if that makes sense. See, like it did kind of curl, but I think that was just because I was doing the work. On the heat setting, exactly what I thought happened is what happened. I switched it down and it just stayed hot. It didn't get cold or anything, so that's kind of unfortunate. This is what I'm left with. I mean, yeah, it's kind of a curl, but it's kind of like, if I have to do the wrapping myself and hold it, it's literally the same thing as using a curling iron, you know what I mean? Like if I have to literally do this and keep it here, the only difference is that I can let go of my hair. So this one does work better upside down, I feel like, but it's still just not worth the 45, 50 bucks for me to keep it, especially because of the condition it came in, the directions are unclear, it's dirty, it's cheap, it's just, it's not worth it. So after doing a little learning, I feel like that was a proper attempt, and yeah, this still just is not worth it. With my first time messing around to actually coming back like knowledgeable, both times were a fail. I'm gonna go print the return label. Let's try the other head. The hairdryer was the only one that worked, but it did smell. This, I think, is kind of like a straightening brush. This one we got into place here. Okay. I mean, this one at least works, but like I don't even want to say much about this because one, my hair is naturally straight. It's still damp from my shower because I showered recently. But two, like if the hairdryer works, all this has to do is blow the hot air from it through the base. So like it's not impressive, you know what I'm saying? And it's also really hot and it was only on for like a minute. I was like so excited to give you guys a good recommendation. And like I want to post a video either way because like now you know, like beware of the Amazon Dyson dupes. Some air. I mean, yeah, I guess one works, but same like the hairdryer. It doesn't have to have any special powers. It's just the brush is a different shape and there's still air heat that comes out of it, but I already have the Revlon one that works great. So why would I need this? You know, like this wouldn't make me keep it. The hairdryer attachment wouldn't make me keep it. I have a regular hairdryer. You know, I want this for the Airwrap curl and it's not giving the Airwrap curl, so I don't need it. And I know I was taking a chance here, you know. You know how there can be a bunch of like Amazon product pictures? There was a video at the end and you know, the video showed this working beautifully, like exact same as the Dyson, effortlessly rolls up and that's that, and you just wind up with beautiful curls. But that's definitely not the case here. That's not what happened. I don't know how else to tell you. I think I gave this a fair shot. The hairdryer works, the brushes work, but like I said, all it needs to do is blow air, and that's what it did. Very much cheap material. At least there's nothing like smoking, and I can't believe it was dirty. Shea Whitney, who I really like here on YouTube, she recommends this one from Walmart a lot, so maybe I'll try that one. I think that one's a similar price range as well, so I don't know. I also get ads on my TikTok a lot for 2 different off-brand Dysons, and I don't know if I can trust TikTok ads or not, but let me know your thoughts. Right now I'm like sad that like I haven't found something as good as a Dyson because there's just no reason that Dyson needs to be as expensive as it is. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out. I'm just trying to put it out there. I wish I had a good product to recommend, but now I have a good product that you need to not waste your money on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on your way out. Let me know your thoughts, or if you found a dupe, or if you can recommend anything to me, please subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in my next one.